From the construction of Wuhan Yangtze River Bridge to the construction of thousands of super bridges, the development history of China's bridges has been from the difficult and arduous period to now the world's top level, having nearly half of the top 10 bridges in the world at all types. With the development of bridges, the requirements for bridge monitoring are getting higher and higher. The hangers of the arch bridge, the cables of the cable-stayed bridge and the suspenders of the suspension bridge have been affected by heavy loads, environmental corrosion, stress corrosion, corrosion fatigue, hydrogen embrittlement and other factors after long-term services, which causes the health status changes of the bridge. For example, on January 18, 2022, the rod of the RAEM1 sling of Chongqing Ergongyan Rail Bridge across the Yangtze River suddenly broke, causing the RAEM1 sling to withdraw from functioning and eventually forcing the bridge to temporarily shut down its service. Acoustic emission monitoring is a kind of global and local dual monitoring method, which can monitor the local defects, health status and damage mechanism of the structure in a large scale. The occurrence of wire breaks is inevitably related to the defect damage. Acoustic emission technology can monitor the dynamic change process of the wire breaks of the bridge. When the bridge cable wire breaks, the elastic wave generated propagates along the cable, which is collected by the acoustic emission sensor installed on the outer shield of the cable. The sensor converts it into an electrical signal and transmits it to the acoustic emission monitor. After filtering, processing, analyzing and evaluating the collected signals, the monitor uploads the result wire break warnings to the cloud platform, following by pushing notifications or emails to the users in order to achieve real-time monitoring of wire breaks of bridge cables. In 2021, the Ministry of Transport conducted structural health monitoring pilot tests on 11 large highway bridges in China. The Taiping Lake Bridge in Huangshan City, Anhui Province, used the intelligent acoustic emission monitoring system for the first time to monitor the wire breaks of suspenders. Our RAEM1 intelligent acoustic emission monitoring system was honored to be the winner bidder of the project to protect the health of the bridge. In June 2022, QingCheng Company and its partners conducted a full-size bridge cable breakage experiment with RAEM1 acoustic emission monitoring system in the cable workshop of a bridge cable manufacturer. Before the tests, the full-size steel cable was prefabricated and grooved, and the RAEM1 monitors were installed on the different positions of the cable, with up to 40 meters distance. The RAEM1 Internet of Things acoustic emission monitoring system was an intelligent system integrating signal acquisition, analysis and processing, storage and communication. The RAEM1 body was a small cylinder with an aluminum alloy shell. It contained signal conditioning, filtering, analog-digital conversion, signal processing and remote communication modules. The data was transmitted to the cloud through the built-in communication module, which was convenient for users to view and download waveform, parameters and ratings in real time. The alarm information was actively pushed to the user by emails and SMS. Its high stability and reliability made it more suitable for unattended long-term monitoring of wire breaks of bridges. According to plenty tests and results, the wire break alarm threshold can be set to accurately identify the wire breakage signals. These were results from the 5 wire breaking tests shown on the cloud platform. At the same time we received the corresponding wire break alarm notifications through SMS and emails. The following conclusions were drawn based on the tests. First, the test data and results prove that acoustic emission test could effectively detect the bridge cable wire breaks. Second, the RAEM1 monitoring system could accurately and effectively monitor the wire breaks, and achieved 100% accuracy in this experiment, without missing any breaks. Third, the RAEM1 could achieve unattended, accurate remote automatic monitoring of wire breaks, and sending the number and rate the wire breaks by SMS and email automatically. Fourth, the energy and RMS value of the acoustic emission signals on the anchorage were much stronger than that on the sleeves position, and the attenuation of the anchorage was much smaller than on the sleeves, which meant to monitor the wire break signals in a longer distance. QingCheng Limited is an ISO 9001:2015 non-destructive testing systems and condition monitoring solutions manufacturer and global supplier. We are the leader global company in IoT acoustic emission online monitoring systems of our own design, as well as other NDT systems. Our mission is to provide unattended high-quality and reliable online condition monitoring solutions for predictive maintenance of valuable industrial assets in the world.